Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kier Rawat from Lexington Company. Today we're going to talk about the Prohibition of Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. So, procedural requirement for employees. The Act provides an outline about employers' requirements to develop a complaint. Section 4 lays down about the ICC committee, which is Internal Complaints Committee. The ICC must consist of at least 4 members under the chairperson of a senior women employee, 2 members from amongst the employees, preferably a women with experiences of more than 5 years, a third party member preferably affiliated with non-government organizations. If a workplace has less than 10 employees, it is difficult to set up a ICC committee. In that particular case, the complaint committee LOC established to the district level. Now, Section 19 requires the employers to organize an orientation workshop and awareness procedure the harms of sexual harassment and to provide assistance to the complaint should be dealt with. Now, the complaint process. Assuming an ICC has been established in a workplace, a woman alleging sexual harassment must act quickly to preserve her complaint. Section 9 requires that the complaint of sexual harassment be filed within 3 months of the date of incident. Then the ICC committee or ICC is required to complete the inquiry within the 90 days receipt of a complaint. These are the procedure through how the ICC committee should work. So this was established, for example, to control or to dealt with the sexual harassment of the women at workplace. As we all know that there are so many of cases which are pending, and in some cases ICC committee has not been established yet. So the prime and the first object the office should have is the working organization should have for the working women is the setting up the ICC committee where the women can complain regarding the sexual harassment. I hope you like my video. If you have any doubt regarding this particular video, do let me know in the comment sections. I'll clear up all your doubts regarding this topic. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe.